Hey there, I'm Parker Rex. I led tech for a startup that sold for 23 million bucks. After that, I realized this AI thing is bananas. I got to go all in. On this channel, I'm going to have a new series where every single week I'm going to have a new build. There's going to be 3 parts to it because I need help and I don't want to hire people. I need agents. So I'm going to be building agents. I'm going to walk you through what to expect from this channel and all the different agents that I'm going to be building. I've done a lot of this stuff manually on both the coding and marketing side. And let's just talk about some numbers so you're grounded in truth. So this is a daily scorecard that I have. I used to run EOS for a company, the startup that I talk about at the beginning of the videos, where you have a scorecard and you go through it. So this is just the stats. So over the last month, we got 1,000, nearly 1,100 new subscribers on this channel that you're watching. And then we've got close to 600 on the daily upload channel, where I'm working on the program there too, where it's just 15 minutes max. We cover AI news, things that are relevant, and we cut all the fat and any sort of resources and Q&A. And then on this channel, like I said, we're going to be doing builds. So it's working. But doing this manually, 10 pieces of content, a lot of the videos that came out over the last 2 weeks had technical issues because I was partially automating them and then partially changing everything about the production. So the microphone, the software that's downloading or recording, the audio post-processing, all of that needs to be agentic. So we also got 50 people into our school, which is awesome. And figuring out the offering with that, where I think I've nailed it, but I'm excited to expand in May from being just on YouTube long form to YouTube shorts, testing that. That'll be the next step. And yeah, doing it paid is really awesome because the people that are in it will get all the unscripted long form videos that I'm about to talk about. So on the daily, this will be just questions, news, resources, quick and easy. And that will be dropped into a pipeline that will be attached to Google Cloud Platform. So this is a petabyte bucket and I drop it into the daily raw. It will process it and go into the processed raw, where you'll get all the outputs and metadata, all that jazz, eventually thumbnails and titles. But that's what's to come. So this series, right? We're building agents because we want to get to 100K a month in profit and we don't want to kill ourselves. So how are we going to do that? Well, this series is going to look something like this. It's like the ultimate build in public, where I need to build a thing, right? And what I was doing before, which was not very smart, was I'd just build the thing and then I try to package it up for the people in school. But then I'm like, what do I put on YouTube? So then I have like ancillary stuff, like net news stuff, like, ooh, Flappy Bird. That's okay, but forced. And so instead, I build the thing that I need. And then I break that into 3 episodes that are kind of nerfed because it's not going to perform well on YouTube, 1. And 2, I want to grow the audience on YouTube. So I guess it's kind of tied to the first one, where it's basically like, if I have an 8-hour video on YouTube, it's not going to be that interesting. I'm not Notch from Minecraft, which, by the way, if you're a nerd, go watch him. It's basically the social network of coding where you just get pumped. But I'll build the thing that I need. I'll break it into 3 episodes. So I'll batch it in one day, maybe 2, and then have 3 20-minute episodes that have all the kind of topics compressed, and then I'll talk over it a little bit. And then the long form video will be then on our Vibe with AI community YouTube channel, email verified to those that are in it. And they'll also get a 1-page PDF. And then I'll make a playlist out of that for the main. And then, like I said, the full unedited version goes into school, which will soon be on ivibewithai.com, which if you're thinking about joining, join now, because we're going to be launching the beta of our own platform in late May, and it'll be double the price. So then, as I said, the daily will be the Q&A and the news and all that stuff. So these are the builds that are coming up, so you can get an idea of where this roadmap's going. And like I've said many a time in all these videos that I make, is whenever you're doing something net new, you don't go agent first. So first you go and you list out the steps. What are the steps involved to do said thing? And then you question them, and you question them by actually doing the steps, right? You don't just list them out. You go and you do the thing that you're trying to eventually turn into an agent. And then you reduce the number of steps. So you're getting critical about each one. Why does this need to be in here? You're hopefully deleting, like I already said. I'm totally forgetting the fourth one, but this is Elon Musk's 5-stepper. But I'm just going to put automate. That's the last one. But if you don't do this in this order, then you end up not building the right thing. So what's to come on this channel is, well, it's this first one that I was mentioning with that bucket. So it's GCP, platform, agentic video uploader, and metadata processing. Now, what that means is there's all this fluff around YouTube videos that people don't really think about, like the audio processing, like the subtitles, like the chapter markers, descriptions, other assets that can be used to build other forms of media, right? Like if I want a blog post, well, that transcript's going to be awfully handy. So this is the first one that we'll be nailing, because I am doing dual channel. I have audio processing. I have subtitles. I have eventually clipping, but all the metadata around it will be the first one. And I'll compress that across 3 videos for this channel, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, starting next week. And then the long form and the repo and the PDF explaining it will be for the members. I think they're going to love that too, because if you just have someone that's like spewing like theory, I don't learn from that. So I was like, what would I want to learn? And then next will be the Google Cloud Platform Agentic Thumbnail Builder using Pillow. So thumbnails, you see good ones, you see bad ones. I want good ones, obviously. And I want to not only get to where I was when I was manually making them, which was just mid, but I want to elevate them. And like we said with the 5-stepper from Elon, you kind of have to do it manually before you can automate it. So you find patterns, you figure out what are the things that work, you remix people's, you have multiple steps. And then eventually this will be agentic, where it's like, ooh, the ideas are their own workflow. So it's like new stuff comes in, I check it, I go record, it processes, it makes a thumbnail. I already had the title from the get-go. Then we'll be doing the AI news aggregator and classifier. So this is to help with the daily channel, right? All these things, everything I'm going to be doing on this channel plays into the next thing. And so when people discover me because it's some like title and it's like, ooh, agent, whatever. Well, I'm going to have a fleet of these things. And I also have a home server that is running on like a $12 VPS, German hosted, had to roll it out of German Linux to get it to work. But it's basically like a beef machine that is 1/10 the cost of DigitalOcean, which is awesome. But yeah, those will all be running on there potentially if I wanted to roll my own. But that's the news aggregator, the short form clipper. It's doing something like Opus. So we're going to be looking into their API on Friday to figure out what are they doing, because there's a lot of libraries. Then the iVibe with AI membership build out, which is essentially Teachable plus School plus WAP in one. Then vectorization pipelines. So most of these platforms don't have anything that's AI first. So you go in there and you're just in this like forest of content and you're just trying to learn, but it feels like a chore. So vectorization will be helpful for a lot of reasons, but it's basically like similarity search and figuring out like not only intra-member mingling, but also matching their ratings that we gather across their interest in marketing, their interest in coding, their level of experience in each one, and then providing content relevant to them as well as news relevant to them. And then we'll be doing Discord membership SDK work. We're going to be going into Map the Map, which is my SaaS product, and doing the Google agent integration with multiple sub agents. That is so key because that was a huge part of what held me up on building that. We'll do health integrations. This also includes HIPAA compliance. This also includes all the database stuff. But yeah, and then eventually iOS companion app work. So this is kind of like the ultimate build in public. I'm really excited about it. So yeah, that's things I need. Here's some more of them. This is the one that I basically just pasted from the school. And I think it's going to be great. Other stuff, yeah, we're going to be hosting workshops, but that's just for the school peeps. If you have any ideas of things that I'm missing where they're in your workflow and you're like, yeah, well, you should totally be doing this thing because your audio could be a lot easier if you use this or that, drop a comment below. But yeah, that's the plan. I'm excited about it. Make sure you like the video because that's like the coolest thing you could do on a Tuesday or whenever you're watching this is just like the video. It's right there. Boom, thumb. Yeah, we did it. Good job. Did you do it? Good job. Also subscribe to the channel. That's the big update for today. All these are going to be agentic, meaning like It does one step. I hop in, I see how it's doing. And then eventually agentic, where it'll pick the video, it'll pick the thumbnail, it'll pick all these things based on the feedback that I've gathered. Most of it will be on GCP because GCP is just a one-stop shop and they should totally sponsor me. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. Peace.